This property is a 3-bedroom, 3 full baths home. The list price has recently been reduced to $329,900. Interior features of this property include a separate laundry room, a gas fireplace, a recreation or bonus room, a sunroom, a formal dining room, multi-unit zoned central air conditioning, a partly finished basement, a whirlpool tub, and a heat pump. On the outside, this property features an attached garage, a swimming pool, and a patio. Community amenities include a swimming pool and a community clubhouse. The approximate square footage is 3,517 square feet. This property is represented by
Nancy Fahy, Long & Foster Realtors.